Telegram is a popular messaging app that allows users to connect with others through chats, groups, and channels. One of the key features of Telegram is the ability to create a unique username, which makes it easier for others to find and message you. Setting up a username on Telegram is a straightforward process that allows you to be easily discoverable by others and makes it simpler for them to initiate conversations with you. Unlike your phone number, which might be private or shared with only close contacts, your Telegram username can be used by anyone to find and message you on the platform. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your Telegram username. So let's get started. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Now let's get started. The first step to take is to tap on your Telegram app to open it. So let me tap on my Telegram app right away. You can see now my Telegram app has opened up. So now the next step in order to set up a username is to tap on the menu icon. You can see the menu icon right there at the top left corner. So let me tap on it. That's the 3 horizontal bar. So let me tap on the menu icon real quick. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on the first option, which is written my profile. You can see it right there at the top. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the 3 dots, the 3 vertical dots at the top right corner. You can see it right there at the top. So what I will do now is to tap on it. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on the last option, which is written set username. So let me tap on set username real quick. Right here, guys, is where you're going to be able to create your username, create your Telegram username. You can see what's written there, set username. So what you simply have to do now is to type in the username that you want to use for your Telegram account. You can see what's written there. Let me get to read it. It says you can choose a username on Telegram. If you do, people will be able to find you by this username and contact you without needing your phone number. So what this means is that if you're the kind of person that doesn't like putting out his or her contact on the public space, this is a good idea for you. So what you have to do is just to share your Telegram username with whichever person that you want to share it with, then you're good to go. So with your Telegram username, they can find you on Telegram. So you're not putting out your phone number out there in the public. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to type in the Telegram username that I want. You can see what's written there. It says you can use A to Z, that means from alphabet A to Z, and also you can use numbers from 0 to 9, and you can also add underscores. They say the minimum length is 5 characters, so your username should be more than 5 characters. It should contain numbers and alphabets and underscores. So let me go ahead now to create my username. Let me just type it in right there. So let me type it real quick. Right there, guys, can see now I've inputted my username, and as you can see down there, it says the username is available. It's written in green color. Sometimes you might want to input a username and you'll find that it is not available. Let me erase this now to show you guys what I mean. Sometimes you might input a username and it has already been taken by someone else. So let me erase this now to show you guys what I mean. Let me erase it. Then let me go ahead now to input something else. Probably a username that has already been taken by someone else. Let me just type it real quick. You can see right there, it's written in red. It says the username is already taken. That means someone is already using this username on Telegram. So what you have to do is to tweak it a little bit. You can add numbers and underscore to make yours unique. So let me erase this now. Then let me go ahead now to input my username, the one I inputted earlier on, the unique one that is unique to me. You can see, guys, it says again available. So once you've repeated the Telegram username that is available, what you have to do now is to tap on good at the top. You can see it right there at the top right. So let me tap on it. Wow, guys, you can see now I've been able now to create and set up my Telegram username. You can see it right there, written username. So guys, this is how you can be able to set up and create your Telegram username, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, you do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in our next upload. Bye.